Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to show you how to restart or reboot the Eureka J15 Pro Ultra. This product's linked in the video description, so be sure to check it out. So a restart or reboot is different from a factory reset. This is a simple power cycle where we'll be turning it on and back off. You're not going to lose any of your data or anything along those lines. So in our case, our vacuum's already off, so we'll turn it on first by pressing and holding. Just a couple of seconds is fine, then you can let go. We already have the lights blinking there. So the vacuum is booting up. Once it boots up, then we'll go ahead, we'll do the same thing again. That will turn it off and we'll hear a little chime. Simple and straightforward. Lights are blinking, blinking, blinking as it boots up. We have a chime there too. It's initializing. Lights are still blinking. It's going to take close to a minute.
Please wait.
Voice prompt connecting to the network. Please wait. Lights are still blinking.
Network. Hi. Nice to meet you.
So there we go. Network successful. Cut that out. And then it said, hi, nice to meet you. So it cut itself off. But there we go. So now it's on. So if we wanted to turn it off, give it that reboot, give it that restart, go ahead, hold it just for a couple of seconds. We have that chime, the lights blinking. Still blinking as it shuts down. There we go, it just turned off. So simple, straightforward to restart or reboot your Eureka J15 Pro Ultra.